Welcome back to our channel. Today we're looking at the brand new 2026 Range Rover Electric, Land Rover's first all-electric luxury SUV. With powerful motors, a huge battery, and signature Range Rover design, this EV is set to redefine luxury mobility. Let's break it down. 1. Design and exterior. The 2026 EV keeps the iconic Range Rover look, clean lines, bold proportions, and the floating roof. Subtle tweaks set it apart: EV-specific badging, closed grille elements, and aero-optimized wheels. Expect advanced LED or matrix headlights, a flush underbody for efficiency, and new color options to match its modern image. It looks familiar yet futuristic. 2. Power and performance. Underneath, things get exciting. Dual motors deliver about 540 horsepower and over 620 pounds-to-foot of torque with electric all-wheel drive. Instant torque means smooth acceleration, likely under 5 seconds to 60 miles per hour. Adaptive air suspension and smart torque distribution give it excellent stability on highways and confidence on trails. Range Rover hasn't abandoned capability, it's just gone electric. 3. Battery and charging. At its core is a 117 kWh battery with 800-volt architecture. That means fast charging up to 350 kilowatts, taking the SUV from 10 to 80% in around 25 minutes. Range is expected at around 330 miles WLTP, or closer to 270 plus miles EPA in real conditions. A heat pump system helps preserve efficiency in cold weather. Whether it's long trips or daily commutes, the Range Rover EV aims to keep you moving without compromise. 4. Interior and technology. Inside, it's pure Range Rover luxury. Expect premium leather or sustainable alternatives, soft-touch materials, and state-of-the-art sound insulation. A widescreen infotainment system with EV-specific displays, advanced driver assistance, and over-the-air updates make the cabin high-tech yet intuitive. Add in panoramic roofs, massage seats, and customizable ambient lighting, and this EV feels like a rolling lounge. 5. Off-road capability. Range Rover has always been about going anywhere, and the EV version keeps that promise. With adaptive air suspension, terrain modes, water wading protection, and precise torque vectoring, it's just as ready for rugged trails as city streets. The low center of gravity from the battery even improves stability. 6. Pricing and release date. So what about cost? Early estimates suggest a starting price around $120,000, climbing past $150,000 for higher trims. Deliveries are expected in 2026, with some delays pushing it slightly beyond original timelines. It will compete directly with the likes of Mercedes EQS SUV, Tesla Model X, and BMW iX, but brings something unique: Range Rover heritage in a fully electric package. Conclusion. The 2026 Range Rover Electric is more than just another luxury EV. It combines powerful performance, impressive range, and legendary off-road DNA with true Range Rover refinement. If you want an SUV that offers prestige, capability, and zero emissions, this could be one of the most desirable EVs on the market. If you enjoyed this breakdown, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more EV content, and let us know in the comments, would you choose the Range Rover EV over its German rivals? Thanks for watching.